Swagatam to Tritiyah Patah Karomi. By literally saying only one word karomi, I mean aham karomi. I am doing it. Similarly, if I want to say I am reading, I will just say patami, likhami, kridami. All this word literally means aham. So this chapter will be focused on learning subject and verb structure sentences. So let's begin. प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। दिस बॉय इज किशोर। लेट अस सी वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दे रहा है। मम नाम किशोरः। अहम पाठशालां गच्छामि। तत्र aham abhyasam karomi. Everywhere he says about himself, that's why aham. If you want to say your name, you will add visarga if you are a boy. So Ramesh will say mama nama Rameshah. Govind will say mama nama Govindah. Naman will say mama nama Namanah. Then you say aham pathshalam gacchami. I am going to the school. Tatra, wahan pe, there. Aham kim karomi? Aham abhyasam karomi. I study there. Next we have our friend Khushbu. खुशबू लड़की का नाम है, कोई विसर्ग आप ऐड नहीं करोगे। मम नाम खुशबू. My name is खुशबू. अहम पुस्तकालयम गच्छामि. Where is she going? She says aham pustakalayam. I am going to the library. Library को पुस्तकालय क्यों कहते हैं? It's having two words. Pustaka meaning book, alaya meaning house. House of books. Books कहाँ रहते हैं? पुस्तकालय में. तत्र aham pustakam pathami. Please notice all the words that are here in yellow. You can just circle it in your textbook. And at the end we will do a revision of all those words because these are the kriya pad जो हम सीख रहे हैं. Pathami, gacchami. Next we have Rajeshah. He says mama nama Rajeshah. Aham kridanganam gacchami. Krida का आंगन. Kridanganam. I go to the playground. Tatra aham kridami. There I play. Kridami, khelami is also the one word. Basically, I have seen students making the mistake that they do mi matra dirgha. But everywhere mi matra is rasva. Keep it rasva. But krida or kridami, this kri is dirgha matra, long vowel. Okay, so please note this point. Kridami. I am playing. Then we have Maharshihi. Mama nama Maharshihi. He says, my name is Maharshi. Aham matula griham gacchami. Mata or Mata ke bhai. Mata is mother and Mamaji, maternal uncle, is called Matula. Mama को कहते हैं मातुलहा और मामी को कहते हैं मातुलानी. मामा मामी के घर पे और कौन रहता है? नाना नानी. और मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. नाना जी को कहेंगे माता महह और नानी जी को कहेंगे माता मही. So he says aham matula griham gacchami. I go to my mamaji's house, meaning maternal uncle. Tatra aham matamaham namami. There I bow down to my nanaji. Matamaha, nanaji को प्रणाम करता हूँ, meaning maternal grandfather. Let's meet our new friend Rama. She says, Mama naam Rama. My name is Rama. Aham prarthana mandiram gacchami. I go to the temple where I can do what? Let's see. Tatra aham prarthana geetam gayami. There I sing devotional songs. She is singing bhajan there. Everywhere tatra is there. Atra here, tatra there. Next we have our expert friend Praveen. He says, Mama nama Praveenaha. My name is Praveen. Aham jalashayam gacchami. I am going to a nearby lake. So lake में वो pond में क्या कर रहा है? Tatra aham tarami. There I am swimming. Tarami is the word तैरना, swimming करना. लेकिन swimming pool में नहीं, जैसा it appears to be here. He is going to the jalashaya, to the pond to take a bath. Is it allowed in your city? Let me know. Next we have another friend, Poonam. She says, Mama nama Poonam. My name is Poonam. Aham bhojanalayam gacchami. Tatra aham khadami. Bhojanalaya can mean a restaurant or a food stall. So I am going to a restaurant and aham tatra kim karomi? Khadami. She is going there and she is eating. So khadami is the word to eat. Next we have Kaushal. He says, Mama nama Kaushalaha. My name is Kaushal. Aham mitram smarami. Aham patram likhami. Those were the days when we used to write letters to those we miss. अभी तो सब सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव होते हुए भी एक दूसरे को पूछते नहीं है कि कैसे हो तुम, होप यू आर वेल और होप यू आर इन द पिंक इन योर वेल्थ, समथिंग लाइक दैट वाज द फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेटमेंट. एंड देन दे सेड हमारे यहाँ पे सब अच्छा है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कैसे हैं, सब कैसे है, अगर घर पे पेट्स है तो उनके बारे में भी पूछते थे. बट यहाँ पे सेंटेंस तो ठीक है, शब्द जो याद रखना है, स्मरामी लिखामी. आई एम रिमेम्बरिंग माई फ्रेंड स्मरामी. पत्रम लिखामी एंड आई एम राइटिंग अ लेटर लिखामी. देन वी हैव पूजा. शी सेज मम नाम पूजा. माई नेम इज पूजा. अहम चित्रशालां गच्छामि. तत्र अहम चित्रम पश्यामि. I go to a museum where there are pictures, paintings, and there I am looking at picture. So here, Chitrashala, where there are paintings, art museum, portrait paintings are there, and she is looking at them, and she is amazed कि कैसे क्या सबने creativity बताई है. Sometimes we even don't understand the painting. Artist को ही पता होता है कि उन्होंने वो particular चित्र में क्या बनाया है. Those paintings are so deep. क्या आपको भी पेंटिंग्स देख के पता चलता है कि वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं? और you have to ask the painter कि आपने क्या बनाया है, बताइए. Next we are having Rupal. Mama naam Rupal. She says, my name is Rupal. Aham nrityaशालां gacchami. Tatra aham nrityami. I go to the dance academy, the dance studio, and there I am dancing. So do you love Garba? Tell me in the comments. Now, let's start the Abhyasa Karyam, the exercise. We have our first question. Aham is the same subject that is written here, words in the bracket. Remember to use ami as the ending. Aham and then the ending. Aham patami. In gamagacha, tritara, nrit and nritya, we are using the second option. Aham kim karomi, not aham gamami. You write gacchami, I am going. Aham likhami, I am writing. Aham khada, to eat, khadami, I am eating. Nama, to bow down. Aham namami. Krida, kridami, I am playing. Tritara, use the second option to swim. I am swimming. Aham tarami. And last is nuta, but here is inserted, so you can say aham nrityami, I am dancing. So this way you can make many more sentences. When you say somebody else's name, and at the end you put ti and you talk about yourself, the same verb will replace, ti will be replaced with ami. Pathati, pathami. Chetana namati, Chetana is bowing down and looking at her. I am following her. Aham namami. Mohanah kridati, Mohan is playing. Aham kridami. So wherever ti is there, replace with ami. So that will be a simple exercise and you got to know where to use what. Ayushi gayati, aham gayami. Ayushi is singing, I am singing. Gautamah tarati, aham tarami. Actually, aham na tarami. I don't know to swim. Rupal khadati, aham khadami. Yes, I know how to eat. I am eating. Dhumita pashyati, a name of a girl. She is seeing and I am seeing. Aham pashyami. Usha likhati, aham likhami. Anyways, I am writing here. Aham likhami. So, ti, ami. Same, we can replace any object. We know aham pathami. I can say any object name in the center, but with ma or anuswar. So, aham pustakam pathami, aham geetam pathami, aham vedam pathami, aham shastram pathami. Everywhere you will see ma. Similarly, aham jalam pibami. If I have to replace jalam with dugdam, it will be aham dugdam pibami. I drink water, I drink milk. Aham pustakam pathami, aham patram pathami, aham vartaman patram pathami. Pustakam, book, letter, and vartaman patram is samachara patram. Vartaman में जो हो रहा है उसका. So newspaper is called vartaman patram or samachara patram. Aham chitram pashyami. I am looking at a photo, chitra. Aham vimanam pashyami. Aham doordarshanam pashyami. I am looking at the aeroplane. I am looking at the television. दूर का जहां देख सकते हैं वो दूरदर्शनम is a television. Aham abhyasam karomi. I am studying. Aham sevam karomi. I am serving. Aham snanam karomi. I am bathing. Aham odanam khadami. Rice. Rotikam khadami. Eating a chapati. Modakam khadami. Everybody knows. Modak. Similarly, next. Aham devam namami. I am going down to a devata, God. Mataram namami. Pitaram namami. Going down to your parents. Aham mandiram gacchami. I am going to the temple. Aham nagaram gacchami. Going to the city. Aham gramam gacchami. Going to the village. Aham mitram smarami. I am remembering my friend. Aham ishwaram smarami. Remembering God. Gurum smarami. Remembering my guru. Aham patram likhami. Aham katham likhami. Aham geetam likhami. I am writing a letter, a story, or a song. Now, if anybody asks you questions, if you are a boy, I will ask Bhavan kim pashyati. If you are a girl, I will ask Bhavati kim pashyati. Nevertheless, your answer will not be Bhavan or Bhavati. You will replace all Bhavan with Aham, I. Replacing Kim with all the possible answers I will give you here. You can select any one option and write. And the last, replacing Ti with Ami, just like Pashyami. Likhati will be Likhami. Khadati will become Khadami. Gayati will become Gayami. And Karoti will become Karomi. Very important. Not Karami, Karomi. Okay, let's replace the Kim and write all the possible answers. So few options are Bhavan Kim Pashyati? Aham Doordarshanam Pashyami, television. Aham Vimanam Pashyami. I'm looking at the aeroplane. Aham Chitram Pashyami. I'm looking at the picture. Bhavan Kim Likhati? Katham Likhami. Story. Shlokam for shlok. Geetam. Patram. Kim Khadati? Aham Rotikam Khadami. Shakam, vegetable. Odanam for rice and modakam for the sweet item. Bhavan Kim Gayati? Aham Geetam Gayami. I sing a song. Bhajanam, Kirtanam or a shlokam. Aham Yogam Karomi. I do yoga. Aham Snanam Karomi. I bath. Aham Pakam Karomi. I cook. Aham Abhyasam Karomi. I study. These are the words used with Karomi. Nevertheless, we can replace Kim Karoti with directly Aham Pathami, Aham Likhami, Aham Gachami, etc. This was all about the chapter Karomi, where we learned all the possible Kriya Pada. Just count the number of Kriya Pada we learned in the chapter and tell me the answer in the comment. Astu, Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.